Thanks for joining us this morning for the final Teaser Tuesday of 2019. We are out on a morning ruck in the park, and it's 22 degrees, and this is what we're going to be doing more of for the rest of December and first and second quarter, getting conditioned for some backpacking adventures in the spring of 2020 out in the Wind River Range. But as far as videos coming up on the channel are concerned, in December there's really just two main things that I want to get done. One is the video of the Appalachian Trail trip that we just took to Pine Mountain Trail. It's a short 5-mile hike to Cascade Falls, and I got some photography of not just Cascade Falls but some other falls as well. It's just a real pretty trip. And then beyond that is getting the Wind River Range photography that I took this summer, getting some of that finalized and up on the channel. Anything else, and there are a number of things we could do, but anything else that we get up on the channel will just be bonus, because there's a lot going on in the holidays. So from everybody here at the FrostySith channel, we wish you a happy holiday and a Merry Christmas. Thanks. Hope to see you in the new year.